If you have ever wanted to create a planet, you must be familiar with the roadblocks. You cannot use a texture because it's not detailed enough. You cannot turn a plane into a sphere because of the seams, and this is where this course comes in. In this course, you will learn how to create the perfect sphere and how to sculpt a planet with VDM sand brushes that I will provide you with. We will create an oasis. We will also create palm trees, bushes, and scatter them around the oasis and the planet. Not only that, but you will learn how to light this scene to the best of your ability, as well as creating the clouds and setting up your camera. In under 2 hours, you will learn all of this and more.